Hey everybody, you wanted part 2 of the naked bars and this is it. So I'm going to show you in this video how to do the famous pecan pie naked bar, so yummy, and also banana bread naked bar. Both are really easy. We're going to chuck all the ingredients in, whiz up, and bam, you've got naked bars. Put it in this, which is on my Amazon store, and put it in the fridge for 1 hour and you've got healthy snacks to have throughout the day. It balances out your blood sugar and also helps with weight management and gives you that protein, which is great for post-workout, for example. My name is Melissa Kuman. I'm a nutritionist and health coach, and I basically help people lead a healthier life in 12 weeks because I believe that we should all have the knowledge to strengthen our health and upgrade our mindset. So let's begin. So first things first, I'm going to show you how to do pecan pie ones. So obviously we're going to need some pecan nuts. So tip in some pecan nuts into a blender. Next up, we're going to have some dates. So there's lots of different types of dates. This is kind of like baking dates. It was already kind of pre-chopped into small pieces. So we're going to add some dates. And lastly, we're going to add some almonds. I'm using blanched almonds, so it hasn't got the skin on it. And this is going to add a creamy taste. And now we're just going to blend it up. So when it comes out of the mixture, depending on your blender, just kind of blitz it as fine as possible, and you'll find that when you squeeze it together, it kind of becomes into a bar. So the next step is you just put it in a mold. So I'm using a mold from Amazon. As I said, you can get this through my Amazon store. I've linked it. And we're just gonna put some in and squish it down so it's nice and compact. You can also add vanilla extract if you want to, if you like vanilla, but I think it tastes like pretty good as it is. It has like a nice, the pecan has like a nice nutty taste, and the almonds make it kind of like that kind of pie-y, creamy, and the dates obviously give you that sweetness. And it's also very high in fibre, so good for our health too. So as you can see, I've put the naked bars in, so these will be ready in an hour. You put them in the fridge and they'll harden. As you can see, this recipe makes around 10 naked bars. The bars are quite big actually once you pop them out, but you can freeze them, you can wrap them in cling film or beeswax wrap, and you can have it throughout the week, and it's great for kids as well. Okay, so now to make the other variety of naked bar, I'm going to show you how to do banana bread. I believe they do banoffee pie, the naked bar brand, but I'm going to show you how to do banana bread version. So first of all, we're going to add them all to the pot. So these are the banana chips. They're slightly chewy. I got these from Tesco. They smell really sweet and they just taste like banana. It's just basically dehydrated banana. So we're going to add the banana chips. Now we're going to add the dates. As you can see, I've got 2 different types of dates here. Both are fine. I think these are a bit more expensive and these are more baking. So we're going to add some dates. And now we're going to add some raisins. You can add pecan nuts or walnuts. And lastly, we're going to add some oats and also some molasses. So I've used carob molasses. You can also use like an apple fruit syrup as well. You kind of want like a fruit extract. So I think molasses, the carob molasses work best. So I've added that to the oats. Oats are really good for reducing the bad cholesterol and helping you get to your 30 grams of fibre a day. To add it all in. And lastly, we're going to add 2 spices, cinnamon and nutmeg. We're going to add half a teaspoon of each spice. and then blend it up like we did last time and put in the molds. So the finished product, I've already had half of my pecan pie one. So we've got, this is the banana bread and this is the pecan pie. Make sure that you whiz it up as small as possible and you really pack it down, otherwise it will crumble. I think in hindsight I should have made my pieces a little bit smaller, and to help it stick together you can always use coconut oil as well to bind it. But see how you get on. 100% pecan pie, really nutty, really delicious. Now for the banana bread. It tastes really like banana bread. The raisins in it give a different dimension as well. I hope you like my part 2 of naked bar video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and I'll do a load more recipes.